Hi, welcome back to the channel. Got a quick video for y'all today. Got the Dolmar 7300 with the big bore kit. Finally got it up and running, guys. So a while ago we were out cutting up some logs, firewood and such, and I noticed it looked like some type of grommet in the gas tank there had ripped and was just spewing gas everywhere. The saw wouldn't start. I don't know anything really about these Dolmars. This is my first one I've owned, but I believe it was some sort of tank vent. So what I did was I just got some small fuel line, put in there with a real small inner diameter to it. Anyways, I just figured that would give it a little back pressure on it and hopefully work the same. Let me show you what I did there. It does run. We'll go out and put it in a piece of wood here, see how it does. We'll get around to tuning it up here some other day, but we got it running. I want to show you all it in action. So down in here is where the issue was. Like I say, I believe it's some sort of tank vent. It goes directly into the fuel tank. I just ran a piece of that small hose through there and ended up giving enough back pressure to pressurize the tank and supply fuel. It's running perfect. It doesn't seem to be starving for fuel at all. So I think that's going to be my cheapest repair until I actually order the vent itself. Let's go get this thing in a piece of wood. Let's see how it does. All right, everyone, thank you all for tuning in for today's episode. I'm sure we'll have this saw into some more firewood here before we know it. And also stay tuned for more trail clearing and property maintenance videos to come here shortly. Thanks again, guys. Leave us a comment below. Be sure to like the videos and hit that bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks and take care.